go. Okay. So I have another cell diagram for you to label. Last time it was a little difficult for a lot of people to label these parts. So let's try it again. You guys learned some of the parts on Wednesday. And this picture. Are you okay, Sarah? Where's this picture from? The book. Yes, this is right from the book. So if you have that, remember you're supposed to bring those papers. So go ahead and get those papers out, the little packet that I asked you to bring, and label that A, B, C, D, and E, those parts. I don't know. Do you guys need a hint this time?
No.
You guys need hints?
No, sir.
Let me not give you a hint this time. Okay. But A is pointing to these strings right here. B is pointing to this little stack of membranes. C is pointing to just the stuff in the middle. D is pointing to these orange structures. And E is pointing to this thing, big giant thing in the middle. All right. So yeah, so I need to see your see this for a second. So get this out, and you can use that. I need to see that you're using it, interacting it. Oh, if you have it, if you started the annotation part, I'm going to start stamping it. So if you did that, I'm going to stamp it. And mindfulness, I want you to tell me, it's important for us. Oh, is it locked? It's important for us to know where we study best. Okay? So I want you to be honest. Well, you wouldn't lie to me about this, would you? No way.
Jose.
No way. Jose or Jerry or William or anything. Where do you study best where you can really focus?
School.
Yeah, if it's at school, tell me that. And be specific. Is it in the classroom?
The library.
Is it in the library? Is it out here, on a bench, under the things out here? Is it listening to music? Or is it no music? Is it while watching a Netflix show? Have you seen that before, Janet? I have. And I think that would be kind of hard a little bit. Because you want to enjoy your show. You don't want to ruin it with homework, right? You know what a good thing to do is? Do your homework, then watch a little bit of show. I did that yesterday. I had to take the day off for a thing. So what did I do? I started the day watching some Netflix. But then I stopped, and then what did I do? I did a little bit of work. Yeah, I went on the computer, saw how my classes were going, right? Because check my email, check Canvas if any kids are having questions. Do a little bit of that. Then I go watch some Netflix to reward myself. And then after that, I go back to a little bit of work. It's about like that. So tell me where you study best, and then a little bit about why. Best you can.
Like the membrane.
Oh, let's check it out. It looks like you are the highest class.
For what? Oh, so that's the PS5, right?
Wow, PS5? I was thinking PS10. So you guys are 63% ABC. That's higher even than my AP class.
Wow, that's good. That means you're so good.
Good.
We should get AirPods Generation 10.
I'm thinking Generation 20. I'm going to go in there. I'm going to go to Apple and say, where are your 20s at? I know you got 20s. And they say, yeah, we do have 20s. I said, I want them. I'll test them for you. I have students. Okay, you didn't start off those yet. So when you start reading and doing that, okay? You bring your stuff. Nobody else brought this stuff? Okay.
Interacting with other students.
Start reading and annotating yet. Start working on this yet. Yeah, start reading and annotating it. You guys, if you have your book at home, Ryan?
I think I got my book. I think.
You don't know where it is. You do a hunt this week, okay? Put on your camo, put on your hunter's orange, and go hunt for it. Oh, so I need you to go to the library. Okay, now legally you're supposed to have one.
I have the human.
We could get busted if you don't have that one. We get
By
busted by cops. We could have SWAT come here.
And the
A
helicopter.
helicopter, they'll come through here, they say, Nayeli, we don't have, here's your book.
And then I'm gonna get the book back.
Boom. Break down the door, go, boom. Put in a little flashbang grenades, and go bam. And then the SWAT guy brings it in, here you go.
They could take
Yeah,
it
I
out.
gotta have this. You have some physiology book, human anatomy or something?
We were studying Earth. We were studying the
I don't think I'll take it with me.
Bring a picture of it. I'm curious what this is you had. This class you had at this school?
Yeah, I had it for eighth grade.
There's who?
Hippoli.
Italy. Chemistry or biology, I thought.
What about chemistry and soccer?
Huh. Maybe she has another
You
thing.
don't know about that.
Wait, she switched classes because you made a soccer team, right?
Who?
Oh, we playing soccer? Nice.
You know, I had soccer class my last period, and then I got kicked out of soccer, so then I had geometry last period, and then I got added back to soccer, and now I have a fourth period with Mr. Miles.
That's
I
confusing.
mean, Mr. Lane.
They had you going back and forth, huh?
Yep. I only went to my eighth period once. That's pretty fun though.
I think I went to my eighth period like 3 times at home.
Yeah, new period?
My 8th period? No, 7th period. I had PT.
Oh, yeah, for you?
Yeah.
Me too. Okay, so it's the cell membrane, vessel.
All right, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and answer these. Dose, period, dose.
Next period.
Le meilleur pour le plus haut marque. That's not gonna work. Everybody's gone. Let's see. Matthew, can you label some of this for us, please? E is nucleus. Yes, E is the nucleus. Correct. Big thing in the middle. Okay, that's good. Gio, can you do another one for us?
I put that. I don't know if it's right, but I put that B as the membrane.
Well, B is pointing to these membrane-like sacs here. So that's the Golgi. Yeah, Golgi has this real characteristic shape, right? Bunch of stacked, I think it's like a stack of pancakes there. If the pancakes were different size. Usually stack of pancakes about the same size, right? Saria, what else? What do you got?
C membrane?
C is not membrane. None of these are membrane. C is all the stuff in the middle. CY. Does that help? Cytoplasm, yes. Cytoplasm. All the stuff in the middle. Okay, Alexis, can you help us with one of these? We got A and D left. A are the little stringy strands, little fibers. D is R, these big structures, these kind of intricate looking orange structures. What do you think those are? Worms? Okay, well that's not one of them. I mean, they look kind of like worms on the inside, right? Okay. Saul, what do you think? For D or A? Yeah, mitochondria, the powerhouse. The powerhouse of the cell. La fuente de energía. La fuente de energía de la célula. That's good. That's pretty good. Paige, what's this last one? Cytoskeleton. Oh, can't quite fit it. How am I? Oh, I mean, I'll put it here. Cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton. All right. So we're getting more familiar with this animal cell. Next time, probably we need to move to the plant cell, because we can't forget about plant cells, right, Gio? It is different, but it's also the same. It's different, but it's the same. How many times have you heard that in your life? A little bit, few times. Okay. Now, mindfulness, where you study best. V, where do you study best? Your bed? Okay, so like sitting on your bed, you like to lay down on your bed and then study? Just sit on your bed and study? Okay, nice and quiet. Okay, very good. So that's so you know. Janet, what about you? Where do you like to study?
After school.
After school. Ooh, after school?
After school, at school.
After school. Okay, where at? Like in a library, a classroom, outside?
A classroom, I'll do a teacher.
Okay, good. After school, it's more relaxed, less pressure. Go to a teacher that you feel comfortable in the classroom, in the space. And do you listen to music while you study? Or no?
Sometimes.
Sometimes? Okay, sometimes, yes. Nayeli, what about you? On your desk at home? Okay. With music, everything organized. Got your pencils. You got a calculator. You got your scissors, colored pencils, your file. Oh, no, okay. Yeah, I don't know. Don't go crazy. Very good. Sometimes we see that with music, sometimes with, sometimes without. Penny? You. What do you say about music? Sometimes you use it? No, just no music. Okay. Paige. Oh, music. Okay, yes, music. What kind of music is best to study to for you?
I like this artist.
You like this certain artist? Okay. All right. Paige, what about you? At home? Okay, so at home. Like in your living room, dining room table, your room. It's like my son, he kind of does his own room, but also the dining room table he likes, because you can put stuff, spread out. I like that too, because put all your stuff around. Sometimes easier than at a desk. Okay. Yeah. Sarah, what about you? Library. Is school here?
Yeah.
A lot of great spots in there. I like that. I think I would try to take advantage of it. What time of the day do you go to the library to study? After school? Okay. Another library, the Obama Library down the street, also has a lot of great study areas. If you guys live near there, if I did, and I was your age, I would pop over there. There's even rooms you can book, if you and your friends want to study together. There's little private, rooms you can, do with whiteboards and a big table where you can talk and not worry about, disturbing. So in the past, I've tried to organize, like weekend study groups down there. I thought that'd be a good, meet up. Just start to study, because a lot of times you just need a place to sit down and just think about stuff and then study. It's just all about making a time and place to learn stuff. Just takes time. Sitting down there with the material, reading it over and over again, using different strategies, talking with friends, spending time. Okay, very good. Well, thank you guys for sharing that. Let's see how far we can get done on our project today. Okay, the posters. So I got all the posters stacked over there. Let's see if we can finish drawing and then get coloring. And let's maybe try to finish today. We'll see. Okay? All right.